Hey guys, what's going on? This is Mike from Mad Mike's RC, and today we are working on the awesome Blade Fusion 480. And what we're going to be doing with this helicopter is some repairs and doing a stretch kit to make it a 550, aka Blade Fusion 550. In today's video, we are going to be doing the tail case that had some minor issues with it. We're going to tear it apart today and double check everything and put it back together with a new tail fin and get the whole tail assembly ready to install. All right, thanks. Let's get to it. I know this part's going to be quite boring to some of you, so if you want to, you can fast forward through it. We are just going to be spending the next few minutes disassembling everything. For those of you guys that are curious, this one is not mine. This is a fellow pilot. As you can see, it took a pretty good hit in the ground to snap it off like that. We don't want to lose that grub screw. Let's pop these off. This tail case took a little bit harder hit than I anticipated, so I'm going to have to heat this up to get it apart, and we're going to have to replace that tail shaft. As I'm currently disassembling this, I just noticed that this tail shaft and tail rotor hub has a slight bend in it. So I'm going to have to heat it up just a little bit to get it separated. So we will be right back with that and continue on. Okay, so we're back. Heating it up did not work. It is on there pretty good. So we're going to disassemble it from the other side. We will continue to take off the hub here by loosening these two grub screws up, which I've already done. So we'll disassemble it from this point. Now we can slide it out. I can visually see a bend in it, so it was pretty good. So it looks like we might have an issue here. All right, so we're back. We got the tail shaft out with a little bit of manual labor. And just visually looking at the thing, it's got a nice bend in it. The tail rotor hub has got a bend in it. So this thing is just absolutely trashed. So we're going to have to replace that. And most likely the tail pitch slider took a little bit of abuse getting it apart. So we're going to have to replace that as well. And once I get the parts ordered and back on the table, we will continue with the inspection and reassembly of this tail case. All right, thanks for watching, guys.